We have discreetly dealt in a large number of the 275 GTB 4-cam models over the last couple of years, and have extensive experience of this model. This particular example, finished in Grigio Ferro with red hide, is without doubt one of the best examples in existence. This 1967 model came to us a really nice original car with excellent provenance, and was subjected to a full JD Classics bare metal repaint, rechrome, and a new interior by Luppi. This Ferrari, a full matching numbers Ferrari Classiche certified example, has provided its new owner with a thrilling driving experience, and is testament to the fact that we can prepare and engineer the best collector cars ready to enjoy and drive, maximising the ownership experience. The value and scarcity of these cars is well documented, and many of the best examples are not publicly offered for sale. To that end, if you're serious about buying or selling or recommissioning one of these models, JD Classics usually have several examples in our workshops undergoing preparation work at any one time, some of which may be for sale. We have supplied superior examples of the 4-cam to a number of our collector clients around the world, and confidently assert that our experience in restoring and preparing these cars results in the best possible safeguarding of your emotional and financial investment in what is undoubtedly one of the most desirable and usable collector cars available.